Mastering the ACT. Unlocking the power of study materials. Hello, English language learners. Today, we're going to discuss a pivotal aspect of your ACT preparation: utilizing resources and study materials. With the right materials and strategies, you'll be well equipped to tackle the challenges that the ACT presents. The ACT is a standardized test, which means it follows a particular pattern and set of rules. Knowing the content is essential, but understanding the structure and strategies can be a game changer. High-quality resources can offer insights into these patterns and help hone your skills in a way that simply studying vocabulary and grammar cannot. There are several kinds of study materials available. 1. Official ACT prep guides. These are produced by the test makers themselves. They offer the most accurate representation of the exam, with sample questions and full-length practice tests. 2. Third-party study books. Companies like Kaplan, Princeton Review, and Barron's produce study books that offer test-taking strategies, practice questions, and review materials. 3. Online platforms. Websites and apps offer dynamic ways to practice, with interactive quizzes, video lessons, and timed practice sessions. 4. Study groups and tutoring. Collaborating with peers or seeking help from a tutor can provide a different perspective and can address individual needs. Create a study plan. Before diving in, chart out a study plan. Allocate specific days for specific sections of the ACT. This way, you ensure you cover all areas. Rotate between resources. Don't rely solely on one resource. For instance, after going through a chapter in an ACT prep guide, you can test yourself using an online platform. Simulate test conditions. When doing practice tests, try to replicate the conditions of the actual exam. This helps with time management and reduces exam day anxiety. Review mistakes. Whenever you get an answer wrong, don't just move on. Understand why you made the error. This is where third-party study books can be handy, as they often provide detailed explanations. Everyone learns differently. Some might find video lessons more engaging, while others might benefit from hands-on practice. Recognize your strengths and weaknesses and tailor your study approach accordingly. For example, if you're a visual learner, use charts and diagrams. If you learn by doing, focus more on interactive quizzes. There's no one-size-fits-all when it comes to ACT preparation, but by effectively utilizing the available resources and study materials, you're setting yourself up for success. Remember, it's not just about studying hard but studying smart. We hope this video has provided clarity and direction in your ACT journey. Best of luck, and happy studying!